When creators collaborate, we dominate, and today we are with the most legit local fishing channel, Salt and Sunshine, Florida. I'm gonna drop a link down in the description. Today we're going to show you how to catch some epic freaking boating and fishing B-roll. And for starters, we gotta launch this thing. Courtney's right here in the driver's seat. Hey, we got Mr. Kyle right here.
What's up, guys?
Yes, sir. First order of business, we're gonna go really fast so we're not hogging up this thing, right? We got the Osmo right down here. We're gonna drive over this bitch. But anyway, without further ado, we can't hog up this boat ramp, so let's go ahead and launch. Let's go. Yeah, like I said, this is a completely busy boat ramp all the time. We got beautiful boats that come through here in Charlotte Harbor, right? And ultimately, it's our job not to clog this thing. All right, so now that we got some of that epic B-roll right there of dropping that boat in over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bust out the 360 camera, get some fake drone shots before we actually put the real drone up and get those. So stay with me, this is gonna be epic. We gotta work fast, like I was saying, we can't clog this little area. Beautiful boat. Hey, so check it out. So one of the first things you're gonna wanna know about shooting epic B-roll for water in a boat is you need to expect to get wet. Like, that should go without saying, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Expect to get wet, and definitely use a 360 camera, especially for this. All right, so the next crucial part to getting some epic B-roll was to actually take a 360 camera on the boat. So what I did was I ended up handing this X2 over to Courtney. I trust these cameras so much. I said, all you gotta do, point it around, high, low, wave it around like it's a magic wand, and let me trust the process and let me trust the footage whenever I get it back. The results were absolutely amazing. Check it out. And so the cool part about this entire process is I had that footage that I could later take back into post. I just reframed it on the cell phone and then exported it. And another cool thing was with these Insta360 cameras, you can export it vertical for some short clips and whatnot to help boost a channel and whatnot. You know, you've seen me do it on this channel before. But another thing is I can also reframe it widescreen in a different way. Like, I can always change it up, and it's crazy to think that whenever you get about 10 minutes of footage off of this, you can easily get at least 20 videos. We're gonna wrap it up for now. I hope you enjoy this quick little behind the scenes look at how we were able to capture some awesome B-roll for a boating, fishing YouTube channel. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight into what the possibilities are. Like I said, whenever creators collaborate, we dominate. So reach out to another creator in your space, in your area where you live, and the possibilities are endless. And so with that, if you ever want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I reframe the shots and like drone moves and stuff like that, let me know down in the comments. In the meantime, make sure to smash that like and subscribe, polish that thing up real nice. And like I promised before, we'll be back with some more. Anyways, we'll catch you next time. Enjoy this cool B-roll sequence. Later.